why is the changes to the accredited employers work visa. So I'm just I want to be clear, I'm not a immigration officer. So this news is all about my research and okay. And changes to the accredited employers work visa is unfortunately have a big impact on the diploma graduates like me who have no previous healthcare experience. So it means that the level 3 I got is not enough in relation to the visa change. So as I've mentioning, I am currently upscaling my level 3 to level 4 healthcare assistant qualification. And I will be doing a clinical placement in an aged care facility here in New Zealand for 1